Login failed on TransUnion App Fix. You go to log into your TransUnion app to check your credit report or identity alerts and suddenly, login failed. It can be stressful, but the solution is often quick and simple. Let's fix it step by step. First, check your internet connection. TransUnion's app needs a stable, secure connection to verify your credentials. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restart your router. Next, make sure your app is updated. Go to your App Store or Google Play, search TransUnion, and tap Update. Outdated versions can cause login failures after system security updates. Now, manually re-enter your username and password. Avoid using autofill, as stored credentials can be incorrect or outdated. If it still doesn't work, reset your password by tapping Forgot Password. If you're using two-factor authentication, make sure your verification code is the latest one. These codes expire fast, and old ones will always fail. You should also clear the app's cache. On Android, go to Settings Apps TransUnion Storage Clear Cache. On iPhone, delete and reinstall the app to refresh your data. Disable any VPN, ad blocker, or proxy connection. TransUnion security filters can sometimes reject logins from hidden IPs or restricted regions. If all else fails, the issue might be with TransUnion's servers. Check their official website or social media pages for downtime announcements. So the next time your TransUnion app says login failed, don't stress. Check your connection, update the app, re-enter your credentials, and clear the cache. These simple steps fix the issue most of the time so you can get back to monitoring your credit and staying financially secure.